Most students lose easy marks in maths exam because of one board mass mistake. So let's fix it today. So don't skip. So 10 minus 6 divided by 3 multiplied 2. So what mistake people do? They first do the multiplication, that is 6, and then 6 divided by 6 as 1 and 10 minus 1 as 9, which is the incorrect answer. Why? Because they did not follow the order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per that, first you have to solve the bracket, then operation of, then division and multiplication both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. This is the most important point you have to remember. Always solve from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have same priority, but don't forget you have to solve it from left to right. So let's rewrite this equation again. 10 minus 6 divided by 3 multiplied 2. In this expression, we have given subtraction, division, multiplication. So we have to give priority to division. So 10 minus 6 divided by 3 multiplied 2, and 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 2 times 2. Now we have two operations left, that is subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication. So it becomes 4 and 10 minus 4 is 6. So what is the correct answer? 6. So many students multiply first. That is a wrong step. So solve correctly and your correct answer is 6. Now try this one yourself and pause the video. 8 plus 4 multiply 3 minus 6. So solve quickly by following which rule? BODMAS rule. So we have to give priority to multiplication because we have given addition, multiplication and subtraction. So what we get? 12 minus 6. Now we have addition and subtraction. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first addition, 8 plus 12 is 20 minus 6. So what is the correct answer? 14. So if you solve it correctly, comment yes. Now let's practice this one. 20 minus 12 divided by 3 square. So we have two operations, but it's actually three operations here. Subtraction, division and the power. So we are going to use PEMDAS rule or PEDMAS rule. Comment down below what you call this. So first we have to solve the parenthesis if given. So there is no bracket, no parenthesis given. Then exponent. Yes, the power is given. Then multiplication and division both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. Do not skip this step, otherwise you will reach at wrong answer. So first solve the exponent. So 20 minus 12 divided by 3 square is 3 multiplied 3. So we can write 9. Now we have subtraction and division. So we have to give priority to division. So 20 minus 12 by 9 is 4 by 3. Now solve it. So we'll take the LCM. Fractions are allowed in board exams, so you can drop your answer in terms of fraction as well. So it becomes 60 minus 4, that is 56 by 3. I hope it's clear. Now let's practice this one. 18 divided 3 bracket 1 plus 2. Try it yourself and pause the video and comment down your answer fast. First correct answer, I will pin the comment. So 18 divided 3 1 bracket 1 plus 2. So if we are following PEMDAS rule or BODMAS rule, first we have to solve the parenthesis, that is 1 plus 2 3. So it becomes 18 divided by 3 multiply 3. So we have to two signs left, that is division and multiplication. So it becomes 18 divided by 3 multiply 3. 6 times 3, that is 18. So what is the correct answer? 18. Division and multiplication have the same priority, but always solve left to right. So like, comment, BODMAS and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.